Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to split large files using 7-zip in Windows 11 or Windows 10. Sometimes you may have a very large file that is difficult to upload, share or store on a USB drive. In such cases, splitting the file into smaller parts can be very helpful. The free tool 7-zip allows you to easily divide a large file into multiple smaller files which can later be combined again. So let's get started. First, make sure that 7-zip is installed on your computer. If you don't have it installed yet, you can download and install it from the official 7-zip website. I will provide the link in this one video description. Now locate the file that you want to split. Select it, right click on it, and for Windows 11 choose show more options, and then hover mouse over 7-zip and then choose here option add to archive. Now locate this one option, split to volumes. Put your mouse here. After that, set any size you want to split, such as 10 MB. After that, click on the OK button. This will split that file into several smaller files. To extract it later, if you want it to extract or combine these parts back into the original file, simply keep all the parts in the same folder. Right click on the first file, that will be extension .001. Select it, right click on it, and then choose here option show more options in Windows 11. After that, select here 7-zip option, hover mouse over 7-zip and then choose here open archive option. This will extract, then click on the extract button to extract its contents. Now you can see this one parts have been combined in single one and it has been extracted. That's it. This is how you can split large files into smaller parts using 7-zip in Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more helpful Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.